Let me ask you something. What if instead of selling your time chasing clients or fighting algorithms, you could build a small line of automations that work for you and sell them over and over again, like real digital products? Sounds wild, right? But that's exactly what's happening right now. Ordinary people with no coding background are using AI tools like ChatGPT and Make.com to create entire product lines that generate income 24/7, even while they sleep. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we break down how to use AI, automation, and no-code tools to create real online income. If you want to learn how to turn automations into digital products that sell themselves, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because this is exactly what we do here. All right, let's dive in. So, what do I mean by an AI automation line? Think of it like a shelf of small, powerful tools. Each one solves a single problem so well that people happily pay for it. Instead of betting everything on one giant product that takes months to build, you create a family of lightweight automations, each valuable on its own and even more valuable together. Picture it like this. One tiny system captures leads from Typeform and drops them into your email platform with the right tags. That's your lead magnet agent. Another pings happy customers for testimonials and stores everything in Airtable with the star rating and permission to use. That's your review booster agent. A third checks in 7 days after a purchase and sends a friendly follow-up with a tip and a soft upsell. That's your follow-up agent. You're not building random workflows. You're assembling a catalog with names, promises, and outcomes. Why does this work so well right now? People are tired of heavy software and long learning curves. They want plug-and-play systems that do one job immediately. Capture leads, gather proof, follow up, repurpose content, qualify prospects, book calls. If your agent takes someone from pain to outcome in a few clicks, it wins. That's why creators and small businesses buy these on marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip. They're not looking for a platform. They're looking for results they can switch on today. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine someone builds a tiny automation with ChatGPT and Make.com that turns YouTube transcripts into clean, ready-to-publish blog posts. It comes with a short tutorial video and a step-by-step setup guide, and it's listed for $29 on Gumroad. It's not a complex app, it's one useful system that saves creators hours every week because it solves a specific annoying problem people are willing to pay for it. Now stretch that idea across 5 or even 10 problems. One agent for leads, one for testimonials, one for automated follow-ups, one for repurposing content into social posts, one for capturing and qualifying inquiries before they hit your inbox. Suddenly, you're running a tiny digital factory where each product works for you, built from the same simple skill, connecting AI tools to make people's lives easier. Here's the best part. You don't need clients, meetings, or code. You can build your first agent in a weekend if you keep it small and focused. Start by picking one pain point people actually feel. Think about time sinks like sending manual follow-ups, forgetting to post across platforms, or losing track of testimonials. Open Make.com, describe the logic in plain English with ChatGPT, and let it help you map the steps. Test it once, then package it like a product. If you're wondering why many small automations beat one big one, here's the simple answer. Small promises convert faster. Each agent says one clear sentence. This saves you time doing X. That clarity lowers buying friction, which means more sales, faster feedback, and quicker iterations. You build once and it keeps working. Let me share a quick story. Imagine a freelancer doing client work full-time. Over time, she notices almost every client wants the same thing: an onboarding system that sends contracts, collects client details, and books a call automatically. Instead of rebuilding it for each project, she turns it into a product. She uses Make.com to link forms, email, and a calendar tool, packages it as a ready-to-use client onboarding agent, and lists it for $49. A few weeks later, sales start coming in. No ads, no client chasing, no meetings. One simple automation solves something people were already struggling with. That's the power of an automation line. Repeatable value you can multiply across niches. Once you have one system working, the next gets easier. If your first product is a testimonial collector, your second can be a review reposter that turns testimonials into branded social posts. Your third can be a feedback analyzer that uses ChatGPT to summarize comments into action items for product updates. Each agent stands alone, and together they form a product ecosystem that feels like a mini operating system for your buyer. Presentation matters more than you think. People don't buy automations, they buy clarity and confidence. Package each agent like a business in a box. A short Loom setup video, a clean Notion or PDF quick start, and a ready-to-import make.com blueprint. Add a one-page positioning statement that says who it's for, what problem it solves, the outcome they get, and how long setup takes. That's how a simple workflow becomes a premium product. Let's talk numbers so you can aim with purpose. Most sellers price between $19 and $99, depending on complexity and outcome. One sale per day at $49 is over $1,400 a month. 5 agents selling a few copies each per week stack into real income. That's when you stop hustling and start compounding. If you want a simple way to name and position your agents, use one problem, one promise, one outcome. Lead Magnet Agent promises more subscribers with 0 copy paste. Review Booster Agent promises more social proof on autopilot. Follow-up Agent promises higher repeat purchases with friendly nudges. Keep the promise tight and the outcome obvious. You can also offer tiers without complicating delivery. A starter tier includes the blueprint and quick start guide. A pro tier adds 3 email templates, a brandable Canva pack, and an extra step in the automation. An agency tier includes multi-client instructions and a usage license clarification. Same core asset, higher perceived value, minimal extra work. So, here's your action plan. Start by choosing one simple workflow idea today. Then use ChatGPT to sketch the logic in plain English and let it suggest the steps. Next, build it inside make.com, test it once end to end, and turn it into a product package. After that, upload it to Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy with a clear promise and a short demo. Finally, repeat the process and line up your next agent so the catalog grows while you learn. Do this a few times and you won't just have a side hustle. You'll have a system, a line of tiny products that quietly do their job day after day without you in the room. Before we wrap up, I've put together something to help you take action faster. It's a complete step-by-step guide that shows you how to choose your first automation idea, build it with no code, package it like a real product, and start selling it online. You'll find all the details in the pinned comment below. It's designed to help you move faster and avoid wasting hours figuring things out alone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Drop a comment below telling me which automation idea you'd build first. I'd love to see your ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, build once, sell forever. Now, let's go make some digital profit.